People in the whole wide world, that's me and the man in the moon. When the little birds are nesting, and I listen to them crooning, there's two lonesome people in the whole wide world, that's me and the man in the moon. Just before I'm counting sheep, through my window he comes to peep, and with each other we're sympathizing, looking at the happy sweetheart, while we sit around and croon. There's two lonesome people in the whole wide world, that's me and the man in the moon.
This is probably right around 1890 to 1910. It was built before electricity, because you can see all the electricity was installed after the building was built, and quite a ways. But it wasn't just heated with fireplaces, so it was not that old. They had some sort of central heating system, probably coal, although I haven't seen the boiler yet. But they probably had a lot of hot water pipes came through there and steel radiators. So that was late 19th century, early 20th century. So it's sometime in there. But you can see there was a lot of windows. This place was remodeled at one time, because there are a lot of, see these brick arches? On the interior, there are a lot of those brick arches, but they've been reframed to have steel doors put in. And this place was some sort of a nursing home type, and I think you can tell by the steel doors and locks that they were anticipating people could wander off, so they kept them confined somewhat. And we found these evaluation forms where they evaluated people. Can they answer in full sentences, and can they do certain things? So you know that the people here had some special care. They were special needs folks. This is the same vintage as that other building, but what is it? I don't know. Let's smash the window right out of here. You want to go in?
Yeah, let's do it.
Dorm rooms of some kind. This is a transom. That thing folds down. That lets the hot air out of the room. Mm-hmm. That's how they cool the room. And these must be dorm rooms. You see they're small. Closet, little closet. Maybe one person in the room. Wow. I want to show you something in a minute I saw. Let's go this one first. Individual rooms. We better not go down there. Before we go upstairs, let's go this way. I want to show you something. See this? This is all padded for sound. put people in there and they could scream and you couldn't hear them. Because it's padded for sound attenuation. Ooh, they used to torture me there. Ah, here's a way in now. Big wide entranceway, so this is some common room. Oh, this is probably the entrance. This is probably the main entrance into this building. This is the office for the boss, the fireplace. Big double hung windows. Look at those things, they're 9 feet tall, 10 feet tall. I believe a dormitory. Another office, some kind. Oh, look at this. Rounded turret. Fancy. Oh, let's see what that's in. Pacemaker, Carl Burrell. Needless Davis. Somebody's logbook for 1989. We will be facing some cleaning, some kind of cleaning problems due to Halloween party. Look at this. Dirty toilet seat, room 223, dirty toilet seat. Sticky floor. This is some, you know what this is? This is they would take count on the room. You know, and they found a door unlocked, no key. Wow, rooms, little rooms. This must be a form of heat. Ah, sinks. All right, listen to me now. Big fireplace. These kids, these desks are in here like a schoolroom. These kids got up and left these desks. Probably they're old men by now and old girls, because this is probably looks like it's been abandoned for 40 or 50 years. So the kids that sat in this desk, which were as young as you kids at one time, are now probably old as I am.
Look at that, they're wood.
Sure. Look, turn around and look at the fireplace. And it's all painted blue. This has nice wood floors. And I want you to notice that all the doorknobs are gone. My guess is these had those real pretty ceramic doorknobs, and somebody came in and took them off. They're worth some money. The toilet, no shower in here. Bathtub though. Ooh. Look, this is a metal fireplace. It's a little unusual. See this one on this side. Uses the word hello in the name of the person, uses polite forms, is responsive when greeted, can discuss a variety of appropriate topics, initiates meaningful conversation, can give feedback that indicates agreement, finds words easily,
So,
uses correct word.
so what do you mean by that? Like,
Well, what I'm saying is that the people that stayed here obviously had to be evaluated, and obviously they were a little bit mentally deficient because they were out seeing if they could speak and follow instructions, and said, can you follow two-step instructions? For example, get the cup and put it on the table. That's two instructions in one sentence. Can they do that? Welcome to the inner sanctum. Then I would say, look at this. This is kind of cool. This is built with an arched out front. See that?
mm-hmm.
It rolls. Ooh, dark, yeah. See, this is different than the other building. The other building is built out of wood. This has concrete block and concrete floors. Look at this part. This is a blocked up staircase.
What?
They blocked this staircase.
Yeah, see, look, there's the pole right there, the railing,
Yeah.
and then the stairs.
Look, you can
It
even
goes
see
right-
the railing is coming down inside, but they built a wall across this staircase. This was a place where they really wanted to keep people in. You know, this looks like the first building we went in. Remember it had this kind of ceiling?
Yeah.
And it was just concrete floor. They they walled up that staircase, I mean, so that you couldn't get in it. That's very interesting.
Well, why would they leave the little door so you can get through the
Well,
stairs?
because if they didn't want somebody to come up and see what's going on or assess the place, you have to have some way to get up here. Wow. That's really something. Let's go see what this is. Ooh, look at this. Raptors are just about gone. Don't go out there. There's a brick wall.
It's like a cave down here.
A what?
A cave with all these stones. There's a bike in here.
Look at that. Yeah, this is like that first building. This building was built when that first building was built. Look at this. Look at these little caves. What was that? What was that? That's where they chained up the prisoners. Back here. What's back there? This is where they took stuff they were never going to use anymore. Cast concrete. See these floors?
Mm-hmm.
These floors are cast in place. And we put forms up for concrete that are wrapped in that insulation are part of the heating system. And I'm guessing that the real heating system is outside of another building and the steam came in here. Unless, is that a staircase? No, there's nothing there.
Are those lockers right there?
Yeah, those are lockers. They fell over. And they're rusting.
So this is how they would heat the school, with these
Yeah, but
ovens.
what makes heat? There's nothing, no heat here. What is this? What is this system? See, this is got these big pipes and they run outside. You see this? So somehow I'm thinking that the water came in here, hot water, but I don't know what this could, unless this is a big fan in here some kind of way. But that thing is locked up, man. Get that thing off very easy.
Booths?
Yeah, this looks like boots.
Down here for storage or something?
I would guess.
Yeah.
This is just another storage room of some kind. Look, they just got all these little nooks and crannies, Parker. All these little storage rooms. Is this copper pipe up here? Yes, look at this. See that?
Nobody stole that yet. That's insane.
Somebody stole that, and that ain't cheap. This stuff right here costs like $10 or $15 a foot.
Mm-hmm.
Fancy. Not a lot of it though. It's cool to see dungeon.
Look at the water. The water
Yeah,
drop.
condensation. That's what's making everything rust down here. I don't know why. Today, although this is old too, but like that down there, there's nothing interesting about that. It's just very commercial looking. But I think they tried to make these things much more attractive, and then, so this is probably 75 maybe years old. This is part of it here. These are different. This building up on the right is a little different than these. Check it out.